MERV rating is a filter comparison system designed by an industry group called the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers. Simply put, it's a rating scale designed to allow consumers to easily compare the performance of one filter to another.